This is Igbo Area
Hello, today we are going to explore parts of the Igbo land. Our focus today is Enugu. 12 things you probably didn't know about Enugu. 12 things you probably didn't know about Enugu. Enugu, nicknamed the Coal City, is the capital of Enugu State in southeastern Nigeria. The city is popular for its cuisine, robust industries, and of course, the local palm wine. Despite this, there is a lot many people don't know about Enugu, but of course, it is never too late to learn. Number 1. The meaning of Enugu. The name Enugu is derived from two Igbo words, Enu, Ugu, which means top of the hill or mountain. The name obviously denotes the city's geography, which is naturally decorated with rolling hills and valleys. The city was named after Enugu Ngwo, under which coal was discovered. Enugu is inhabited majorly by the Nike subgroup of the Igbo people. Nike in Igbo language means those with strength and power. Number 2. How did Enugu become the coal city? The Europeans commissioned Albert Ernest Kitson to lead an exploration in 1903 to find mineral resources in the area. In 1909, coal was discovered in Enugu at the Udi Hills, and this led to the construction of the Eastern Railway to transport coal to the port at Port Harcourt. Enugu was then developed by Europeans to become one of the few West African cities with an European touch. Enugu was declared the capital of Eastern Region after Nigeria's independence in 1960, having previously served as administrative capital of the same region from 1938 till independence. Number 3. Enugu was briefly the capital city of a country. The city also served as the capital of IGBOLAND, known as the Republic of Biafra, in 1967. The Biafran capital was moved to Umuahia after the Nigerian armed forces captured Enugu. In 1991, the old Anambra state was divided into two to create Enugu and Anambra state. Enugu remained the capital of the new Enugu state created by Ibrahim Babangida's military regime. Number 4. The best time to visit Enugu. Enugu city has a population of about 1 million people. This is one of the lesser populated metropolis in Nigeria. The city experiences two distinct seasons: the recurring rainy and dry season separated by dusty harmattan weather. It has a mean temperature of 26.7 degrees centigrade, making it one of the most habitable cities in Nigeria. Travelers to Enugu are advised to visit this British developed city during the dry season after the rains have subsided. Number 5. Visit the southeastern capital of Nollywood movies. The urban market and bottling industries are some of the industries in the city. It is also the main filming location for the Nigerian movie industry known as Nollywood. Domestic and international flights land at Akano Ibiam International Airport, and the Enugu campus of University of Nigeria in Nsukka is the main educational establishment. Number 6. It is a city of festivals. The New Yam Festival, which holds to officially present the newly harvested yams to God and ancestors, is as old as the Igbo culture. It usually holds between August and October, with each community determining a date. Known locally as the Emume Iriji Ohuru or Iwaji or Ifejioku, it serves as the most unifying festival in Igbo land. New Yam Festival has become a major tourist attraction because of other colorful events such as the Royal Dance, Igboeze Dance, Cultural Dance, Masquerade Parade and Dance, and musical rendition by various community groups. Enugu State organizes the annual Mmonwu Masquerade Festival at the Nnamdi Azikwe Stadium in November. Number 7. How to get to Enugu. Enugu is accessible by road from all parts of Nigeria. ABC Transport PLC, Youngsha Growth Transport Limited, Peace Mass Transit, Chisco Transport Limited, and God is Good Motors are some of the road transportation companies commuting passengers daily from various parts of Nigeria to Enugu with an average cost of 4,000 naira. The major motor park include Old Motor Park at Obete Market, New Market or Gariki Motor Park. Local airlines with direct flights to Enugu's Akano Ibiam International Airport include Medview Airlines, Arik Airlines and Air Peace. Number 8. Getting around in Enugu. The road network has federal roads connecting Enugu to other states of Nigeria, while the state roads connect various local governments in the state. Enugu has a good road network plied by taxis and bikes, Okada, making movement around the town easy. You can also take a minivan plying fixed routes through the city or take a taxi drop, which is more comfortable but expensive. Number 9. Things to do in Enugu City. The top activities recommended for first-time visitors to Enugu include the various festivals held in different communities of the city. Hospitality is the core value of Enugu City, so visitors should learn to first warmly greet and ask about the family and health of the indigents before conducting business. Eat out to have a feel of the rich Igbo food culture. Enugu is the headquarters of popular Nigerian delicacies like Ezeagu, Abacha, Fio, Akpu, Fufu, Oba, pepper soup and nkwobi. Other foods like African salad, akpu, banga soup, oha soup, nkwobi and okwa are also served in Enugu. The New Yam Festival. Held between August and October, the New Yam Festival is the single most important traditional festival in the city, closely followed by Mmanwu Masquerade Festival in November. Visitors in Enugu can celebrate the New Yam Festival by boiling yam or preparing yam porridge or partaking in the communal celebrations. There are several other activities accompanied by a rich display of culture by the indigents, dancing and drumming. Enugu residents respond with wa rather than commonly used mba for no, so visitors to the city should learn to say wa to have a feel of the culture. Visitors can also take a trip to the old coal mine to explore the tunnels. Udi and Udi Hills is a perfect site for picnics. Hotels like Legend Hotel, Demartel Hotel and Resort, Amazon Hotel, Hotel Toscana, Nika Lake Resort Hotel, Hotel Metropole International Limited, Rosie Valley International Hotel Complex, and Cheers Inn are just a few hotels to mention in Enugu. Shop all over the city. Enugu has a number of large markets that serves double function, shopping at cheap price and tourism to have a feel of a typical IGBOLAND market environment. The major markets are found in the city, but the rural communities also have their own markets and occasionally have night markets. The markets are well laid out into different sections selling groceries, clothes, books, electronics, vegetables and grains. The supermarkets in the city sell a varied assortment of foreign goods. However, the three main markets where visitors can buy goods and also go on sightseeing are the Ogbete Market. The Ogbete Market is where the largest variety of goods are found at the cheapest selling prices. Service providers like merchants, painters, plumbers, bricklayers and carpenters are found in Kenyatta and New Markets. Animals, majorly cows and goats, are slaughtered in the artisan market, while the Obolo market near Nsukka sells fresh fruits and vegetables. The night markets, believed to be associated with spiritual elements, occasionally open in smaller towns around Enugu City. The market are lighted with kerosene lamps and candles. It is believed that people can go to the market to contact dead relatives who died mysteriously. Most of this indigenous market open daily till 6:30 p.m. Situated at Okpara Avenue, Polo Park Mall offers modern shopping and entertainment mall for shopping, unofficial meetings and hangouts. The Polo Mall Park incorporates bank, ShopRite, cafes, bars, restaurants, beauty salon and a cinema. Shops in the mall sell items such as food, cosmetics and electronics. Genesis Deluxe Cinema and the giant Ferris wheel in the mall provides entertainment. How to spend 48 hours in Enugu. Enugu is a cool city with a lot of tourist attractions. It has a blend of an ancient city and convenience of a modern city that charms visitors. The tallest building in Enugu is the 6-story African Continental Bank ACB Tower and the 7-story Hotel Presidential Building, all located in the Central Business District of Enugu. The Michael Opara Square is in the middle of Enugu, with the Enugu State Government House of Assembly and Judiciary Complex all located near the square. Now, day 1. Eat Igbo delicacies. Okpa, Ezeagu, Abacha, Fio, Akpu, Fufu, Oba, pepper soup and nkwobi, banga soup, oha soup, nkwobi and okwa are common delicacies popularly sold in restaurants in Enugu. National Museum of Unity was established at the end of the Civil War to stimulate unity. Military artifacts and relics from the Stone Age through the post-colonial period are housed in the museum. It opens weekly from 9 to 4 p.m. Now, the Owon Waterfall and Cave. The cave is a breathtaking scenery with its water believed to have healing and curative effects. The Ngwo Caves. Ngwo Caves, Waterfall and Pine Forest has several caves and waterfalls. The Ngwo Caves takes you through the trees of pristine Ngwo Pine Forest. Day 2. Udi Hills. It is the site of the first coal mine in Enugu. It opened in 1915 before it was replaced in 1917 by Iva Valley Mine. It still has the old tunnel for conveying the coal outside the hill. Visitors should tour the hills and learn about the history of Enugu. Now the Milken Hills. It offers a beautiful standpoint to view Enugu metropolis, especially at dawn and dusk. Relics of coal mines and its beautiful tunnel are under the hills. The hills are good for mountaineering. The Ani Ozara Lake. The Ani Ozara Lake is located at Ozara in Enugu State. Sacrifices are offered to the crocodile in the lake as they are believed to be goddesses. Mmanwu Festival. This masquerade festival holds yearly at the Nnamdi Azikwe Stadium in November, so to go to the stadium to enjoy the colorful events. There are several masquerades that will be displaying an array of beautiful garbs such as Ojionu, the Enyi Mmanwu, Mmanwu Ugo and Ijele, the king of masquerades. Number 10. Enugu is famed to be the custodian of the rich Igbo food culture. However, to enjoy the best local delicacies, tourists should try the common and less expensive mama puts and restaurants around the city that serve awesomely prepared foods and soups like Okpa, Ezeagu, Abacha, Fiofio, Akpu, Ugba, pepper soup, Nkwobi, Akpu, Banga soup, Oha soup, Ofe Akwu, Nkwobi, and Okwa. Commence your learning about the Igbo cultural heritage with a taste of these nutrient-rich foods. Okpa, popularly called the lion's food or the king's meal, is made from Bambara flour, gotten from Bambara nuts. The best of this delicacy is sold at Night Mile Corner in Ngwo, Enugu. Nkwobi is a common pepper soup in an average city beer parlor, served with cow leg. It sells for a minimum of 600 naira in restaurants and beer parlors. Ofe Akwu is the Igbo version of Banga stew made from palm fruit oil extracts. Its unique aroma and taste are brought out by the scent leaves added during cooking. It is eaten with white rice, yam, or plantain. Yam and abubu fiofio is a favorite meal for both locals and visitors. It is basically yam porridge and a mix of pigeon peas, also called akidi. It is eaten with palm oil, onion, and pepper sauce. Restaurants in the city sell these local delicacies, with a few modern restaurants selling intercontinental cuisine. Mr. Biggs, Emily Restaurant, Chicken Republic, Rivery Restaurant, Happy Bites, and Raya Chinese Restaurants are examples of restaurants located along Ogui Road in Enugu. Along Independence Avenue are other restaurants such as 9JA Foods, The Main Restaurants, Barcelos, and Golden Toast, serving local delicacies. Number 11. Tourist attractions in Enugu City. Enugu City is heaven for tourism with its large number of ancient landmarks and tourist attractions. The larger number of these tourist centers have free entries. The city a myriad of caves, waterfalls, springs, hills for mountaineering, forest reserves, monumental archaeological and cultural collections in museums and art galleries for historical and cultural preservation. Nnamdi Azikwe International Stadium. This is the home stadium of Enugu Rangers. It has a capacity of 22,000. The stadium was named after the first president of the Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Benjamin Nnamdi Azikwe. Local league matches are played at the stadium every weekend, so visitors can watch a live match in the stadium. Enugu Golf Club. It has 18 challenging and beautiful holes. The golf course is open all year round and has become a tourist attraction to guests and residents in Enugu. It also houses a clubhouse and a fully stocked bar where residents and visitors can drink and relax in a serene environment. The golf course can be found at Mount Street in Enugu. The Magic Garden. This is a park built solely for recreation and relaxation in a soothing atmosphere at the city center. It houses a swimming pool and restaurants. Friends and family can gather for get-together in the garden. The garden occasionally hosts family-themed events and activities. National Museum of Unity, also known as Enugu Museum. It was established after the Civil War in 1972 to heal the wounds of the Nigerian Civil War. It aims to promote understanding, peaceful coexistence, and love among Nigerians. Visitors can tour the Igbo Gallery, Unity Gallery, and the Enugu Coal City Gallery. Go with your phones and gadgets to capture the beautiful sights in the museum. Polo Park Mall. This mall is situated at Opera Avenue in Enugu. The mall is important for its array of modern shops like Swash stores, Nike stores, The Hub Store, Fine Brothers, Health Plus, Mountain Place, Pandora, Puma stores, and ShopRite. It has a food court where all the major food chains such as Coldstone Creamery, City Chef, Golden Chef, KFC, etc. sell local and international cuisine. Visitors to the Pole Park Mall can ride the giant Ferris wheel, grab a cup of ice cream, watch a movie in Genesis Deluxe Cinema, and visit the bars to unwind and hang out with friends. The Ezeagu Tourist Complex. This complex is a must-be place in Enugu, and it has a large number of interesting places to wow all visitors to Enugu. The 3-kilometer cave, cold and warm spring waterfall, and a lake within 30-minute drive of the city center makes Ezeagu Tourist Complex resplendent with wonders. And with a proper layout of beautiful environment, family, friends, and visitors can picnic and swim. Number 12. Where to stay in Enugu City. Enugu City has a large number of affordable and quality accommodations with cheap bars, cafes, and restaurants. There are budget-friendly hotels for as low as 3,000 naira per night. Rooms in the hotels have comfy beds, air conditioners, ensuite bathrooms, and occasionally swimming pools and gyms. Thank you for exploring IGBOLAND with us. Enugu is IGBOLAND. We will also show you other parts of IGBOLAND. God bless you. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.